TikTok TikTok Live couldn't save video. Here is a quick fix for you guys. So let's say you're watching a video here on TikTok, for example. There you go. You click on the share, then you click on the there you go. Click on save video and it won't save. So most of the time if it does that, it may be because of your internet connection or your device storage. So always check your device storage if you still have enough space. So make sure you at least have about 100 MB free space. Make sure you have at least that for like if you want to download like a short video here on TikTok. But if it's like a long video, make sure you have much more storage for you able to download that. Second thing is you can do if ever that happens is always check your internet connection if it's okay, or you can just clear up the cache by going to like settings, then apps, then find TikTok Lite, and then easy is that just click on clear cache and do that. Or you can click on the three dots right there on the top right corner right here. After clicking on the three dots, click on settings and privacy. After pressing settings and privacy right there, you can just go down and you can press on free up space. You'll see cache right here. You can just clear that up. Easy as that. So yeah, there you go guys, that's how you do it. That's how it works. Those are the fixes you can do, or you can just close the app and open the app again. So that sometimes works. But there you go guys. So if you guys do enjoy the final question, step the question below guys, up to us as soon as possible, and thank you guys.